Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best pop of color paint is probably one of the most versatile and exciting ways to inject personality and vibrancy into your living spaces, offering a bold statement that can transform any room from mundane to magnificent with just a few brushstrokes. Whether you're aiming for a subtle accent or a full-blown chromatic explosion, this paint provides an unparalleled depth of color and a smooth, durable finish that stands the test of time, making it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts and seasoned decorators alike looking to make a lasting impression. Number 5. ABEIER Iridescent Acrylic Paint Set. Discover a set of 18 unique chameleon colors. Each paint offers a mesmerizing iridescent effect, shifting beautifully with the light. Crafted with premium pigments, these paints boast excellent light fastness and a glossy finish. Their thick consistency ensures they hold their shape perfectly. These versatile paints dry quickly and adhere exceptionally well to various surfaces. They are permanent, waterproof, and fade-proof, perfect for any project, indoors or out. Composed of eco-friendly materials and certified non-toxic, these paints are safe for everyone. Enjoy peace of mind while you create, whether you're a child, teen, or adult. From rocks and canvas to wood and fabric, these paints work beautifully on a wide range of materials. Let your imagination run wild on ceramic and stone too. We are confident you'll love this iridescent acrylic paint set. If you have any questions or are not completely satisfied, please don't hesitate to reach out. What we like? Experience a magical transformation with these paints. Their color-shifting properties create a mesmerizing, iridescent finish that changes with the light. If you're looking to add a unique, eye-catching dimension to your artwork, especially on crafts, canvas, or decorative items, this set is perfect for bringing your creations to life with a touch of enchantment. What people say. The paint has a beautiful shimmer and covers well. Easy to apply and dries to a lovely metallic finish. A little goes a long way, providing excellent value for the coverage. Number 4. Pop of Color Premium Chalk Paint Frozen Wonderland Bundle. Introducing the Frozen Wonderland Bundle, a collection of 6 vibrant chalk paints. These bold colors are perfect for bringing your next project to life with stunning results. Achieve a smooth, matte finish with our premium chalk paint. Its highly pigmented formula provides rich color and exceptional coverage in just a few coats, making application a breeze. This versatile paint works beautifully on a wide range of surfaces. From wood and ceramics to glass and fabric, it's ideal for furniture, crafts, and more. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, our paint is made for you. It's perfect for home improvement, crafting with kids, or professional artistic endeavors. Enjoy a fast-drying formula that makes your projects move along quickly. Its easy application ensures a seamless finish every time, especially when paired with our premium brush kits. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This bundle is ideal for any crafter or DIYer. Explore our other complementary products for even more creative possibilities. What we like? Achieve a rich, velvety look with these premium chalk paints. They offer exceptional coverage and a smooth application, making them ideal for furniture, DIY projects, and home decor. If you desire a sophisticated, matte finish and want your projects to stand out with bold, vibrant hues, this bundle is an excellent choice for a professional yet easy-to-achieve result. What people say. The paint has a beautiful shimmer and a rich color payoff. It applies smoothly and dries to a durable, chip-resistant finish. The unique color-changing effect is mesmerizing and adds a special touch to any project. Number 3. NYX Professional Makeup Jumbo Eye Pencil, Yogurt. Discover the magic of effortless beauty with our versatile eye pencil. It's your secret weapon for stunning eyes, easily applied as an eyeshadow or eyeliner. Experience the incredibly creamy texture that glides on smoothly. You can effortlessly blend it out for a seamless finish, creating any look you desire. Unleash your creativity with the beautiful yogurt shade. This unique color adds a touch of playful charm to your makeup routine. Why settle for one when you can have it all? Use it as a vibrant eyeshadow, a precise eyeliner, or even a highlighter for a radiant glow. Enjoy a look that lasts all day. Its formula is designed to stay put, ensuring your eyes look flawless from morning to night. From the experts at NYX Professional Makeup, this jumbo eye pencil is a must-have for any makeup enthusiast. Elevate your eye game with this incredible tool. What we like? This versatile stick offers effortless application for both eyes and lips. Its creamy formula glides on smoothly and can be easily blended for a seamless look. If you're seeking a convenient, multi-use product for quick touch-ups or creating a soft, diffused color effect on the go, this is your go-to for a pop of color anytime, anywhere. What people say. The paint has a good consistency and applies smoothly. The color is vibrant and true to the swatch. It dries to a nice, even finish without streaks. Number 2. Paint by Sticker Music Icons. Discover the joy of creating art with our Paint by Sticker kit. It's a fun and engaging way to bring iconic images to life. This collection features 10 legendary music icons, ready for you to recreate. Each one is a masterpiece waiting to happen. Follow the simple numbered stickers to complete each vibrant image. It's a meditative process that results in stunning artwork. You don't need any prior art experience to use this kit. Just peel, stick, and watch your creation come together beautifully. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a beginner, this kit offers hours of creative entertainment. It's a fantastic activity for solo enjoyment or with friends. Looking for a unique gift? This is it. Give the gift of creativity and watch someone's eyes light up as they craft their own music icon masterpiece. What we like? Immerse yourself in a nostalgic and creative experience. This kit allows you to meticulously recreate iconic music imagery by placing stickers, offering a satisfying and meditative activity. If you enjoy a hands-on, mindful craft that results in a visually striking piece of art celebrating music legends, this is a perfect way to unwind and express your fandom. What people say. The paint has a beautiful, vibrant color that really pops. It dries quickly and evenly, leaving a smooth finish. The application is easy, with good coverage in just one coat. Number 1. Wall Pops DWPK 2466 Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit, Pink. Introducing our beautiful Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. Add a touch of pink to your space with this charming design. Decorating is a breeze with our easy peel and stick application. You can reposition them whenever you like. Worry-free decorating. These are always removable and will never leave any sticky residue behind. They stick effortlessly to most smooth, flat surfaces. Transform any room with ease. This kit comes conveniently on 4 large sheets, each measuring 17.25 inches by 9.75 inches. You'll receive a total of 59 pieces to create your unique wall art. Let your creativity flow. What we like? Instantly refresh your space with these charming watercolor dots. They are incredibly easy to apply and reposition, making decorating a breeze without damaging your walls. If you're looking for a quick, fun, and damage-free way to add a playful splash of color and pattern to walls, furniture, or crafts, these are ideal for renters or anyone who loves to redecorate often. What people say. The paint has a vibrant color and a smooth finish. It dries quickly and doesn't leave brush strokes. The paint is durable and resistant to chipping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.